welcome to A Pen and a Plan. I'm excited that you're here today. I'm going to show you my 2020 planner setup. I am so excited about my setup for 2020. I am going to show you a flip through and show you a few of my favorite things about it, and if you have any questions about it, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will also link another video I did last month with how to disbound the Passion Planner daily, because I used all the supplies and a lot of the similar techniques to set up my 2020 planner, and so if you have any questions you can also reference that. But I'm super excited to show you my 2020 planner. It is one big happy passion planner and I love it and I'm excited. And I can't wait to love this planner and create awesome memories and try new things and share the love with all of you in 2020. And so without further ado, here is my 2020 planner. Here is my 2019 Franken planner. It is well loved. I have taken most of it out already and reviewed things and started to transfer things into my 2020 planner, and here she is. And I'm super excited to move into this planner for 2020, and it's bigger. So it's bigger on the outside, but you'll see what I have going on in the inside. So this is my planner from 2019. You can see it's smaller. I added 2 more discs for my 2020 planner, and I added a few more charms. On the front of my 2020 planner, I added some purple gems and a title of Chaos Coordinator, because that's what I feel like I'm doing a lot of the time, is just coordinating the chaos. I did handwrite this and then cut it out on my Cricut, so I love how it turned out. And then, you ready to see the inside? Because I'm ready to show you the inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so when I open it, I have a gem H, and then this is my front cover page. So I have my name and of course Pash Fam, because the Pash Fam means the world to me and I wouldn't be here today without their support. And then when I turn the page, I have my word of the year, some sticky notes, the 2020 yearly calendar overview, and then this is my 2020 passion planner. I took the small passion planner and I turned it sideways so that way I could see the whole week on one page, and I'm super excited about this layout. And after this flip through, I will show you how to print the passion planner small to look like this, because I love being able to see the week all on one page. And so I actually have printed the whole year with my weeks like this to have in the front of my book. And after the weeks, I have the 2021 year overview. The next section is my daily. The Passion Planner Daily, and I showed you how to print this way in a couple videos back, and so I will be using another bookmark to mark my current day and be able to use my daily as needed. I usually use it most days, but there's some days where I don't use it. Never feel guilty about not using my Passion Planner daily because it's undated, which is super awesome, and so I can use it when I need to, and it's there when I don't need to. The next section is going to be my social media planner, which is the next section, which is my faith section, because I want to read my scriptures every day, so I have a tracker, and then I have the study guide for Sunday school. And then the next section my finances. So I found these printables online for free, and I'm super excited to use them next year. So I have a variety of finance trackers, and then my favorite are these game board sheets. So this one is the car loan, and then this one is the credit card, because one of our big goals next year is to super focus on our debt going down. So that will be super fun. And then I have the log sheets to track the numbers. And then the next section is meal planning. So right now I have my what's in the kitchen worksheet, and I love using this to figure out what I have in the kitchen to make, but I'm also going to be adding to this section to have a tracker for like all of our favorite meals. And I also meal plan in my Passion Planner weekly, so that way it's all in one place. Then the next section is trackers. So this is a book tracker from Planning by Shannon. Then the next one is a gift list. Then I have a birthday tracker from Vicky's Planner Stickers. The next page is addresses, and I might be adding more trackers and things to this section as I go along, but for now that's what I have in here. The next section is the weekly and monthly reflections from passionplanner.com. And then the next and final section is the note paper, and so that way I just have some scratch paper available. In the very back, I have some pocket folders, and that is what my 2020 planner setup looks like. I will quickly go over the supplies that you need to make this happen and how to print the small passion planner. To make a Discbound passion planner, so you need a punch, disc, paper, which I use 32-pound weight, and then a cover of your choice for supplies. Okay, so to print the passion planner small, you're gonna go to passionplanner.com and go to the free downloads, and you're going to select the 2020 dated free download. And then from here you'll make sure that you have the small selected, and it doesn't matter if you choose Sunday or Monday, that is a personal preference. For me, I prefer the Monday, so I always choose Monday, but either one will work. Then you're going to click download and it'll pop up. Ta-da! Make sure that you allow pop-ups on your browser so that way it'll pop up like that, otherwise you will have slight difficulty. So as you can see, when you scroll with the small, it is 2 pages to 1 page, and so when you get down to the weekly, you'll see that the week is all on 1 page. So I did have to go through and figure out what pages exactly I needed to print in order to have just the weeks in my passion planner. So when you go to print, page 8 is the first weekly page. You're gonna go to custom and type in the page numbers that you need, and I went ahead and printed a few months at a time until I had the whole year printed. As for the other settings, you're gonna go ahead and keep paper size as letter, and the scale you're going to want to fit to paper because that keeps it the same size as if you got the bound passion planner from the website. If you select fit to printable area, it does shrink a little bit, and even while punching the pages, I noticed it didn't punch anything off when you do fit to paper, so you can go ahead and print it just the same size, and then if you're a sticker person, you'll have no problem with them being the right size when you order kits and such, because it'll be just like the bound passion planner, which is super awesome. And then for the two-sided, double-sided effect, you are going to want to flip on the long edge, and I explain what this looks like in my last video, because what happens is if you flip on the long edge, you are going to have it look like how I have it in my planner. When you flip on the long edge, when you go to flip it, that's what it'll look like. When you flip on the short edge, it'll copy it so that way it's more like a book. So this page would be the beginning of the week. And so I found that really annoying for punching it along the top, whereas flipping it on the long edge keeps it all the same direction and it looks pretty and happy. And I find it easy to use with that layout. You're good to go to print. Once you have all of your pages printed, you're going to go ahead and punch it with the punch and add the pages to the discs, which is super easy. And then create your planner, and it's super awesome. Now, if you're going to do just the weekly, I would recommend doing the mini discs. These are the expander discs, and so they're the biggest happy planner discs because I have a lot in here. But if you're going to do just the weekly, I would recommend weekly and monthly. The monthly will fit in the mini discs as well, and more details on that disc size are on my Instagram stories, and I will put a link down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you're excited for 2020 and trying new things and going after those goals that you set for yourself. I will always be your biggest cheerleader, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have on setting up your 2020 planner. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to try a different setup, and reference my last video as well for more tips and tricks on the supplies. And I'm excited to share this journey in 2020 with you. Video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to share it to any of your planner friends that might be looking for a different way to set up their planner. Have a great day!